This is the one, main thing that gets front content out there that's defined with a hook menu in the node module. And Pals uses it. You can do a lot of things with variants under there. And the whole assumption behind that is that the node brings in a context. But the node is really just a box. The number 26 tells me nothing about what's in that box. Node /123 tells me nothing about what's on that web page. There's no semantics there. We get around it with aliases, I suppose, but fundamentally, this is much more revealing. These 3 boxes, not just one, this is a hypothetical situation, but I'm going with it. Exams, history, 2012. I think we all know what's in those boxes, just by that system of notation. But why can't we really think like that? I mean, fundamentally, why can't we build a site like that? Because Drupal has a very deep assumption, there's a lot of stuff built on this, that a web page is a decorated node. And that's why it gets away with node /123, node % node. James Stone said in our LinkedIn conversation, I like this because he really puts his finger on it. He doesn't think in terms of pages. He thinks in terms of displays of content. That's natural. I think that's sensible. And there's a lot of change going on around definition of page. We've talked about that at other times, and that's a very important time to reconsider all of that right now. So a couple of Drupal camps ago, I kind of coined this phrase, a web page is a unit of business intent. So we talked about business intent. What are we trying to do here? What does this site exist for? And a web page with its URL represents a segment of that, a segment of what you're trying to do, what your client is trying to get at. An area, specific area where specific kinds of interaction can happen between them and the customers through the mechanism of the web.